Hey, I'm back with another video. It's me, Chevy. I'm make sure you subscribe for probably more videos, or like with Legos actually. Okay, we're gonna build a Lego type truck thing. I built that one time. I didn't build it with video, but yeah. Okay, first we're gonna need a 4x10 piece. Okay, and now we're gonna need a I forgot. Oh, we're gonna need one of these. Then we're gonna need two of these, like just because. Two of these in the back and the front. Okay? And next we need is one of these. If it goes on, if I can get it on, and then we're not even see? Okay? Now we don't need a pop one of these again. And then we don't need actually no. In a second, guys. I built it wrong right there. I forgot. Need to remember. Okay. Now we don't need a another one of these. But wait, you don't have another one. Just if you don't have another one, because I can't find another one, then just use a 4-piece, 1x4 with a 2 or 1x2. Put it right here, right there. If it even goes on. Okay. Now we don't need another one of these. Put this right here. But wait. Then we're gonna need some like things on the bottom. We're gonna need some things on the bottom, whatever. Of 1x4. Okay, we're gonna put them right here to make the tire level because we're putting a hitch on it. Okay. See? If it goes on, yep. Okay. Next we need is another one. Right here. See? I'm sorry if the camera's bad angled. I'm using my phone right now. Because my dad's not here to upload them. Then I need another one like this. But wait, I'm going to put it over here. They can pick it up. Right here. See? Got it. And now we need the hitch part. Wherever the camera's at. Yep, right here. And then we're going to put this on like so. See? Okay. Now we're going to need some tires. Yep. Flip it back over first. We need the windshield. Put the windshield on right here. Oops. If it'll even go on. Hold on, guys. Come on, go on. There we go. Okay, like this. Okay, now we need is a tire. Or no, one of these. Put it right here, like so. See? See? And this is right there. Next we need is a one of these. See? One of these. I don't know what it's called. Yeah. With a disc. Put the disc on top like so, like this. In a second, guys, I need to put it on. Okay. So like so. See? Now we need it to put it on right here. Like a steering wheel if you don't have one, see? Right there. Okay, now we need is some tires. If you want big tires, you can. If you want tiny tires like these, you can. Well, it's cool. I dropped it. So anyways, yeah, and then get some tires. And then, here, I'll put them on. And then, 1, 2, 3, 4. All four tires. See? With these. And there you go. You got a weird car. Bye. Make sure you subscribe, like if you want to, and comment down below if you liked it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.